Do you also want to impress someone with your Python skill? So you are at the right place, because in today's video we are gonna create a auto typewriting machine in Python. It will be super fun to create it, so let's get into it. Hey guys, I am Divyanshu Pawar. I am a programmer and content creator. If you are new on my channel, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload a new video. So first of all, we will open our PyCharm project. So I have already created this project for you to speed the things up. So I have this main.py file in which we will write our code. So first of all, we will needing the library called PyAutoGUI. To install that, you can see this terminal tab right here. Just click on it and install it using the Python's pip command. Just type pip install PyAutoGUI. Then press on enter and it will install this module for you. So as you can see, my antivirus has detected this pip as a suspicious activity. So just wait for it to complete the check. So as you can see, this pip.exe is totally safe. Just close it, and after a while it will install this module for me. So now I have installed this module. I will come in my main.py file and I will import this module. So I will type import PyAutoGUI. So as you can see, it is giving me the auto completion. So after then, you have to type PyAutoGUI dot press, and it will press a key on your keyboard. So if I will type K and then I will try to run it, so it should print K. I actually didn't press K, this module pressed it for me. So if I will type this much times of K and then I will run it, it should not print it because this type of key is not in your keyboard. To type this whole thing, instead of press, you should use typewrite function. This will type this thing for you, as you can see, and it is actually pretty fast. So instead of this thing, I will create a variable named I should name it my text, and here I can just type in the text I want to type. So I will type my name is Divyanshu Pawar and then I will use the \n to print on a new line, and I am a programmer and content creator. So this was the text I want to print in my terminal. So instead of this string, I will pass my text variable, and when I will run it, it should print it for me. Now if you want to print it on the notepad, what you can do is just import time and you can just time not sleep for 5 seconds. After then it will type this thing for you. So till then you can open your notepad. So I will open my notepad and I will run it. So it will wait for me for 5 seconds, then it will type this string right here. So as you can see, without any, so as you can see, no hands on the keyboard and you can type anything you want. So now if you want that it should type something like slow, so you can give a interval in this function. So after writing my text you can put a comma and type interval is equal to and the seconds you want. So I want to stop every 0.3 seconds after typing a letter. So I will save it, and when I will run it, it will wait for me for 5 seconds, then it will type automatically for me. As you can see, I am not typing this text, it is automatically typing it for me. So it is taking a lot more. So what I will do is just close this program, and as you can see it is very dangerous. So what I will do is this 0.3 seconds is too slow, so 0.1 seconds will be fine. And I am removing this time.sleep for 5 seconds, and when I will run it, as you can see it is now looking that someone is typing. So that's for this video guys, I hope you will like it. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.